So I just applied the Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 wax to my vehicle yesterday. And so today what we have is a lot of bird doo-doo. This is the hood of my BMW 335i, and as you can see, there's a lot of bird shit. Like, it went diarrhea on my hood. So given that I just applied the ceramic coating yesterday, this should come off fairly easy. So this is going to be a test to see if that's what happens. And I'm just going to use a hose, and I'm going to put my finger on it instead of like a pressure washer to just generate enough pressure to see if that's sufficient to take this off, because it is pretty hydrophobic. And I mean, if I put this here, you see it just wants to slide right off. So hopefully it'll work. Let's see. Okay, so it's water's coming. It is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see if this is enough to get rid of this bird doo-doo. So just using my thumb, a lot of it is coming off, but not all. So I think once it dries, it becomes more challenging. So does it help? Yeah, definitely. I think this stuff would have adhered a lot better and be harder to take off had the ceramic coating not been applied. And if we look at the water beating, it's beating fairly well. So yeah, makes a difference, but just by itself, using a thumb on a hose, it doesn't all come off. Okay, still, market improvement. So the rest came off with a dry detailer or a detailing spray and very relatively gentle pressure applied to the microfiber, so it clearly makes a difference. Just can't do it with just a hose in your thumb, but a pressure washer or a detailing spray and the ceramic wax does definitely make a difference. Hope that helps some of you guys make a decision on choosing this product or not.